We started doing a topic about the Celts in September, and our Bro came in and said that she'd put some work on the MGFL site and would we be interested in using it. So the children were really keen, really enthusiastic. We used some of the cards here that tell the story in the Pye Corbett style, and the children got used to sorting them out and learning different parts of the story.